Hi, so let me show you a 15 kilowatt rooftop solar installation in Delhi. So let's go. This customer has not paid for his electricity bills from the day of his solar installation. 15 kilowatt on-grid solar system. System demo. So as you can see, this is an solar array which has got 445 watt peak Vari monoperk panels and there are total 34 panels installed in it. Now this is the most critical component of the system. What if you go for a poor quality structure? Your panels can fly during strong winds and even break over the period of time. So this is a high-rise structure with this front leg having a height of 3 meters, because of which you can easily use the space underneath. So these structures are made from hot dipped galvanized iron, which is among the best material to be used for a solar system because they have a longer life and does not corrode. In this, we dip iron parts into hot molten zinc to prevent corrosion. This is how the foundation of a structure looks like. In this, the base plate is screwed and drilled into the roof until the mother slab, and the foundation is covered with a cement block. Now let me show you the key electrical components of the system. Here we have AC/DC, solar inverter and the DC distribution box. So here we have the solar inverter, the next critical component of the whole system. It basically converts panels DC to AC and also ensures the current you're getting from the panels into your house is exactly the same that you get from the grid. The other devices that we have here is the AC distribution box and the DC distribution box, which are none other than your surge protection devices, which protects the panels and also your appliances from any surges.
Now, if you have any further questions, you can tell us in the comments or even give us a call at the number showing on the screen.
We are New Energy people. We are Zircle.